Hey runners, happy Tuesday. It's a very chilly 38, 39 degrees here in Phoenix, and as you can tell, I've donned on my beanie. I got my run in this morning. It was not only cold, but windy, so I was well prepared. I've got my nice, my New Balance jacket. It's not real heavy, but it's lined inside with like fleece, and I've got like a mock turtleneck, which I really love. Um, kind of keeps me warm here. Phoenix, yes, we do get chilly. This isn't the Midwest or the East, but cold is cold, and it was, but it's also kind of fun running in weather gear like the beanie and the gloves and all that stuff because other times of the year it is hot, especially here in the summer. So it's kind of nice to be able to wear winter stuff. So um, I was not feeling particularly great in terms of like I'm still recovering a little bit from the 10K. It was a hard effort for me, and my left calf is a little tight and sore, and my right knee, I can feel it in the hips a little bit. So really, I just got out there to do a nice easy run. I marked it down as a recovery run, as was yesterday, especially Monday being the day after the race. But today I could definitely tell it was going to be a slow run, and my pace was slow. I think it was close to 10, like 9:50 some, which is perfectly fine. I'm not trying to run fast for these days. I've kind of changed my schedule a little bit this week with running. My wife is doing the Mesa Marathon Saturday, and I'm going to do my long run. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on the treadmill, all of it at the gym on Friday, or do part of it on Friday on the treadmill and part of it on the road. I'm still kind of a game time decision there, seeing what I'm going to do. But I'm doing that so that on Saturday morning, it's an early race, 6:30 start, and the buses leave really early in the morning. I think the last bus is like 5:15. So if you like to get there, earlier, so I'll probably get there, like maybe quarter till 5. And then there's a gym that's real close to the bus drop pickup. So I am going to do an easy 6, and then grab some breakfast and coffee on the way to some of the spots that I've already got plotted out. So looking forward to it. It's going to be fun. But today, just a very easy recovery day. It's going to be cold. We'll be lucky if we break the low 50s for highs. Tomorrow will probably be in the mid 50s. Thursday 61, I believe, and it goes up just a little bit. But anyways, nothing thrilling. Just a quick update on the run. Hope everyone is doing fine. And if you like what you see, please like the comment down below. And also please subscribe. Yep, hit that subscribe button and get up-to-date content as they happen. That's all. Have a great Tuesday, everyone. Take care.